Hi everyone, I'm the Chef Dwight, and today I'll be making Jamaican Black Cake, otherwise called Rum Cake. Okay, for my dry fruit, prunes, raisin, currant, mixed peel, and cherry. I soak for months with Jamaican Red Label and Jamaican Appleton rum. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the mixed dry fruits and I'm gonna put it in the blender. Wow, it smells so good.
Yeah, I can smell it. It smells
So good.
I can smell the rum.
Show some of that juice in it.
Yeah.
Smells so good. So here I need 2 to 3 cups. So the next thing I do, I'm gonna blend my fruits again. I'm gonna blend my fruits. And I'm gonna come to a paste. So now I'm gonna check, it's supposed to be like a paste. Just like so. Yeah, you wanna make sure that you get all of these expensive fruits off. You don't wanna waste them off. And now I'm gonna measure, see if I get 2 cups. I need at least 2 cups. So here am I taking out the paste, measuring. I want to get 2 cups out of this, at least 2 cups. Yep, smells so good.
Yeah, it looks good
so
too.
Good.
Looks good. It's gonna be nice and like fruity and rum.
Yeah, with all them cherries and mixed fruits. So now that I've got my 2 cups, I'm gonna save the rest to bake 3 more cakes.
Wow.
So now I'm gonna grease my baking tin.
With oil, right?
Yeah, with oil, yeah. Grease my tin with oil. And I'm gonna put some parchment paper at the bottom. So now I have put parchment paper in my baking tin and I'm gonna set aside. And I'm also gonna put my oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, in here I got 2 cups of all-purpose flour and I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I also put a tablespoon of plain breadcrumbs. And then I put half teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I put half teaspoon of mixed spice. Half teaspoon nutmeg. Half teaspoon salt. Now I mix all spices together. Now I'm gonna sieve with a strainer. Sieve everything together.
That was 2 cups, right?
2 cups, yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Sieve together everything.
I'm learning a lot.
Yes.
I'm gonna bake soon too.
Yeah, you're gonna sieve. Keep sieving. Keep sieving, keep sieving. So I'm gonna set this aside and start doing my butter and sugar and eggs. So in a bowl, I put 1 cup of sugar, brown sugar. Now I'm gonna put 1 cup of butter. I'm gonna blend sugar and butter till fluffy. Till it becomes fluffy. Okay, so now I'm gonna start blending my sugar and butter till fluffy. Meanwhile that is going, I'm gonna crack a egg and I'm gonna take the egg eye out. The egg eye is right here. I'm gonna try to take it out like so. See, that's the egg eye. That's the egg eye right there. So I take out the egg eyes. The reason why I'm doing this, you don't want your cake to taste raw. So you take the egg white out, like so.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's 4 eggs, and we gotta take out 4 egg high from the eggs. So while it's mixing, I'm gonna put in eggs one at a time. One at a time. The first egg is incorporate, and I'm gonna put the next egg. One at a time. And this is my 3rd egg. One at a time, you know? Gotta do it by the rules, by the book. Here, I do everything by the book. And the last egg, one at a time. One at a time. Yeah. Get all of that in it and let it mix. Turn up your mixer a bit. So you want everything to mix properly. Now I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. One teaspoon almond extract. 1 tablespoon molasses. I'm going to mix all of that in properly after. And then I put 1 tablespoon of browning. So I'm going to stop. And I'm going to wipe down my everything so it comes by better. So now I put my 2 cups of fruits in. 2 cups of fruit goes in. Smells so good. Can't wait to heat this.
It's gonna be gone in 1 hour.
Oh, not even that.
20 minutes.
So I start blending again. You want everything to incorporate in it. You know? I blend for a minute or 2 again to make sure everything is combined. Then I stop my mixer, take everything off, and get ready to put flour in. Now I put the flour in a bit at a time and mix. A bit at a time and mix. So keep doing this a bit at a time in the flour. And yeah, so we keep mixing until everything is combined. Yeah, don't overmix though. My 9x9 aluminum round baking tin, I'm going to start pouring my butter. Just like so. You don't want to fold this butter too much. You need space because it's going to rise. You don't want to fold your tin too much. So now I pat them down nicely, smoothly, evenly. Yes, just like so. Evenly. So now I'm gonna pat it down just like so. So the air comes out of it. We don't want no air in that. So I'm pouring some dark rum in my spray bottle. For when the cake done, I'm gonna spray them again with some rum. I have some hot water and I'm gonna throw it in a pan and put it at the bottom of the oven so the cake could bake moist. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven on 300 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 60 to 65 minutes.
Okay, I can't wait.
Okay, after 65 minutes, I take my black cake from the oven, I take a knife, and I check to see if it's baked. Wow. It's ready.
It's so soft.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna spray my cake with rum. Spray my cake with rum. Soak my cake with Jamaican Appleton rum. Wow. Yeah. You want to put it in just as you take it out of the oven, just like that. Just like so. Yeah. Okay. My thing broke, so I'm doing it like that. Yeah. All over my cake.
Wow. So good.
All over my cake.
Are we gonna try some now?
No, we gotta let this cool till tomorrow.
Okay.
It's better let it cool for 24 hours, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna cover my cake and let it rest for 24 hours. It's better 24 hours. So we're gonna have a good cake, wonderful cake tomorrow. Okay, it's 24 hours now. Moment of truth.
Wow.
Wow. Look at my black cake.
It's so good.
Look at my black cake. Now, I hope you have learned something on how to make this cake. Please like, share, and catch you in the next one.